Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel. Let me just fix me headband. That's a little bit better. Now today's video we will be doing, I got another Colourpop box, so that can only mean it's more Colourpop, isn't it? We are going to be reviewing the Wild Child collection. I bought the whole collection again. Why not? I just love this collection. Is just everything. We have 3 Super Shock eyeshadows. So we have Basic Instinct, Free Rain, Run Wild. They actually have different like types on the back. So Free Rain and Run Wild over here are ultra glitters, whereas this one is an ultra metallic, which is Basic Instinct. I don't know what that means, so we're gonna find out. I absolutely love the packaging. Like, I just love the leopard print. I absolutely adore leopard print. Look at the color, it's just so rich. Now we got the shade Run Wild right here. Oh, we're gonna ruin it now. Oh, look at that. Then we have the shade Free Rain. Again, this one was the ultra glitter. It is stunning. I cannot tell you how soft these eyeshadows are. They are really soft. Run Wild was also a ultra glitter, so that means we're on Basic Instinct, which is an ultra metallic. Ooh, loving the shades. Look at that. Oh, they're just so soft. I could keep running my finger through them all day. And there are the shades right here. I can see why it's an ultra metallic, because it doesn't actually have any glitter in it, but it's got that sheen to it, which is incredible. Then we have 2 powder blushes. Again, it comes in this packaging, very cute, and it says cruelty free on it. So we've got the shade Jet Set. Now these are very heavy weighted because they come in that plastic packaging, which is okay. It's not my favorite, but it is like super cute. So we've got the shade Jet Set, which is the lighter one of the pair, I think, which I could possibly use as a bronzer more than a blush, you know. Let's see. Got like a peachy undertone to it, but I think I might be able to get away with that with a bronzer. It's got some like gold glitter particles in there in the pan, but not really on my hand. Just trying to make sure that I could use it as a bronzer. I'm not sure just yet. We have the shade Trippin'. Such a nice rich shade. Again, there's some glitter particles in there, but that is a lovely shade. I would possibly wear that one a bit more tanned. Then we have 3 lippy sticks. So we have the shade Sassy. I haven't even opened these yet. Look at the packaging. And these are more of like a cream formula. It's just here. This collection just literally screams my name. I love browns, anything brown. This is like throwing me back to 90s. Then we've got the shade Brat Pack, which is a lighter version. I say version, just a lighter brown. It's got like some pink mauvey undertones. The shade we have is Oh Behave. Ooh, I think this is the darkest one. Yes, it is. Look at that. And those are all the items swatched. Lastly, we have the Wild Child palette. Just look at the packaging. Look at the back. Ain't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Now, it is in the monochromatic plastic packaging. This whole collection is, which I don't like this packaging. I don't know why. I just prefer the cardboard, but I do like the fact that they have a mirror. So these are the shades here. Are really adorable. So you have like Spotted, Fierce, Ground Crew, Close Up, Lashes, Grasslands, Hard to Get, Icon, and Feisty. Let's swatch some. Oh, that second shade. Be really careful. I'm just gonna like swatch them wherever I have space. So like there. Look at that. Ain't they pigmented as hell? Look at that. The last three I'll swatch right here for you. As you can see, these are just one swipe swatches and they are incredible. Let me just tell you that. Like, that is insane. That is insane. This is probably going to stain my hand because of how insanely pigmented it is, but I'm super excited for this collection, like overjoyed. Wow, this mirror shows all your flaws. I want to go in with Feisty. I've already put on my Beauty Bay primer as usual because I love it. We're going to go in with the darkest shade, of course, and I really want to pack that on the outer corner. I'm not tapping the brush off and I've got a bit of fallout down here. I think I want to take like a flatter brush and just define the line I want. That will also help me with my wing liner. I need all the help I can get with wing liner. This palette is beautiful. Then I want to pack on this shade Hard to Get, and I want to pack that on just to blend here, and then I'm going to blend the outside edges very slightly. I'm also going to put Hard to Get into the rest of my crease. I'm fully just winging this at the moment. Okay, I think I'm happy so far. I feel like this one's a little bit more out than this one, but I can drag that out a little bit more after. Now I want to go in with the shade Ground Crew, which is this shade here, and just blend everything out. Oh my god, that is pigmented. Wow. I was assuming that was going to be so much more lighter. I'm going to get a clean blending brush and really lightly blend these all together. Packs a punch, these eyeshadows, I must admit. Whoa. So all I got to say is whoa. I went ahead and cleaned up the edges because I just want to see where I'm going with this look. And the last thing I want to do is go in with the shade Spotted and just blend out the last of these edges, really. Everything is blending together seamlessly. I feel like I want to put the ultra metallic on my lids, and this is the shade in Basic Instinct, because I feel like the ultra glitters probably do need a base, just like the Christie collection, so we're going to go for this shade here. Let's have a try, eh? See how this works. You know what's funny? It's not as much of a jelly texture as the Christie ones were. Not popping as much. And then I think I want to go in with the glitter in Lashes and put that all over the... No, you know what? I'm going to go in with the glitter in Fierce, which is the one just above it, and put that over just to really make it pop. There we go. I'm popping now. Popping, popping, popping. I need to do my other eye, wing liner, and then do some base, and we'll come back for the rest of the products, really. Pale as a ghost at the moment, but let's try this as a bronzer. This is Jet Set. Not too sure how it's going to go, but maybe we'll just try it on my cheeks first. I think that worked rather well, actually. So for blush, I have this blush again. It's in Brute Flute. This is one of the, I believe it was part of the Wine and Only collection. I'm not too sure. This is what it looks like. Really nice pink. I think I'm going to use my beauty blender for this. I've never used this kind of texture before, so I'm just going to dot it on my face with the beauty blender and hope for the best. I like. Just a nice soft flush. And then obviously got to go in with Wisp because there's no highlight in this collection. For under the eyes, let's go in with Crowned Crew. Want to go back in with Wisp and just put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. I actually have a brown liner by Christie's collection in Woodsea, and I feel like that would go perfectly in my waterline. So I'm going to use that. And for lips, I'm going in with the darkest shade, which is Oh Behave. I feel like has to be the darkest colour, doesn't it? Let me go off camera, do some lashes, do some brows, and come back with my final thoughts. But so far, so good. One last thing, I'm thinking of putting the lightest shade in the center, and this is the shade Brat Pack. Yeah, I like it better. So this is the finished look. What do you think? The bronzer's just not as bronze as I would like it to be. I feel quite pale. However, I really like everything else, I must admit. I am wearing Me Roxy lashes. They are just thebomb.com, I'm telling you. Let's start off with the lippy sticks. I am really impressed with these. I love that they're cream formulas. I love the shades of them. They're very me, and I would get a lot of wear out of these. This is such a me lip combo. Love the metallic eyeshadows. They're just not as in your face, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, I felt like the gold shade from the palette worked so much better on my lid than the metallic shade here. So the metallic formula is not my favourite, but they are lovely colours. The blushes are absolutely lovely and would be such a nice add to someone's collection who's so much more different skin tone than me. Someone a bit darker than me is gonna love these to pieces. I can use them, but I'm so pale at the moment. It's really hard for me to use products catered for darker skin tones, but these are really incredible colours and I absolutely love them. Lastly, the palette. I am really impressed with this palette. It is gorgeous. The colour story is amazing. The colours blended out so well on my eyelid. They look incredible. Such a nice grungy eye look. I do feel like I need to be a bit more bronzed to pull this off, but overall really like it. Like, I used all the mattes. There's 4 mattes in here, there's 5 shimmers. I do wish there was a couple more mattes, maybe a nicer like a lighter inner corner for me, but it's nothing that needs to change. It is such a nice palette. Like, the packaging is gorgeous. Everything about this palette is absolutely lovely, and I think that retails on its own for like either $12 or $14, so that's like 10 quid, which I think is such an affordable price for that palette. This whole collection I believe was $50, I want to say, and I would happily pay that again for this whole collection. You get what? A palette, 3 eyeshadows, 3 lippy sticks, 2 cheek blushes. You get 8 items for about $50, so that's like what, 35 quid. And if it's not $50, I will put the right price up in this corner. I will double check, but overall this is the finished look. I'm really impressed. What was your favorite item? Please let me know down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.